From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, Penn State. I'm Penn State student meteorologist Nick Ribaudo here with your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast. And as we take a look at our Beaver Stadium cam here, you'll notice that there's really not much left of Beaver Stadium. Visibility is incredibly low at the moment due to a very thick layer of fog sitting over the valley this morning. Temperature currently sitting at 39 degrees, winds out of the east-northeast at 3 miles an hour. Typical fall morning here in State College overall. Taking a look at temperatures for the surrounding area, though, 41 in State College at the moment, 39 degrees up in Clearfield, 41 in Altoona, Indiana, and Johnstown, and 49 degrees over in Harrisburg. As for the rest of the state, 44 degrees up in the northwestern portion in Erie, 32 degrees up in Bradford, Philadelphia checking in at our warmest at 55 degrees. Taking a look at what's going on radar and satellite right now, a little bit of cloud cover around half of the state right now, and that's because of Hurricane Ian, which is sitting down off the coast of Florida. It's going to be making its way up into the Carolinas and make landfall as a Category 1 hurricane. And as it continues pushing through towards Pennsylvania, we're going to get those remnants. It's going to be generally cloudy, and we're going to see some rain for tomorrow and for Sunday. Again, with that rain, we'll be arriving a little bit later today, and we're going to start seeing the beginnings of it over in Philadelphia, but the rest of it will really start to show up in Pittsburgh, Johnstown, and the western half of the state. That rain is going to take a long time to clear out, and thus we're going to see some precipitation accumulation in places like Harrisburg with a little over half an inch by Saturday afternoon, right when Penn State starts to play their football game, and Philadelphia as well with some accumulation. That accumulation is going to continue picking up into Sunday, where we will see our higher amounts in places like Harrisburg with 2.5 inches of rain. So there will be some accumulation to speak of, but nothing significant. In terms of what's going on for our football forecast here in State College, though, for our tailgates tomorrow, it's going to be overcast and rainy, 55 degrees. You're going to want to bring a poncho out, an umbrella, maybe even a space heater if you're like me and you're not that great with heat. In terms of kickoff, showers with some wind. It's just going to be a little bit warmer, but we're still going to be seeing the conditions that you generally don't want to see when you're sitting in the stands at a football game. Penn State is favored by 25.5 points. And for the record, the team we're playing against, Northwest, has not won a game in the continental United States this year, so expect a Penn State win. Let's hope so. Showers will taper off later in the game. As for today, 65 degrees will be your high with cloudy skies, and we're going to have calm winds. We'll see some rain check in later in the day towards the evening, but for the Friday of our school week, you're not going to see very much in terms of precipitation. It'll be a pretty nice day, but still cloudy. In terms of tonight, again, we're going to see clouds hanging around with that rain coming in and a little bit of cooling off. Winds will be out of the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, again, during our game day forecast, rain with gusty winds during the day, a high of 61 degrees, winds out of the northeast at 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts a little bit higher than that into the 20s. As for our 7-day forecast, again, Friday we'll see cloudy skies and a high of 65 degrees, a low of 53. Saturday we will get those Ian remnants I spoke of, 61 with a low of 53. On Sunday, that wind hangs around with the showers, and we get a 65-degree high with a 46-degree low. Monday, we will see all of that precipitation finally clear out with the return of sunshine, and low 60s for our high on both Monday and Tuesday with only a few clouds to speak of. On Wednesday, we'll get our warm temperatures, and Thursday, those temperatures will also hang around with sunny skies throughout. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Nick Ribaudo. Have a wonderful day.